Now, if you're wondering what products you can create to generate more passive income in your business, if you're struggling to come up with new, fresh, cool product offers, I want to share with you 3 quick tips to find your next profitable product idea. So, number 1, if you have an existing business, more than likely, if you're a coach, you're a consultant, you're providing a service, or you are providing some type of training, it's very likely that you have a signature system or a signature framework that you already teach to your customers and to your clients. How to get from point A, okay, you take your customers from where they are right now, point A, to where they want to go, which is point Z. So what I want you to do first is I want you to start by looking over your existing content, from your free content to your paid coaching programs, courses, or packages. The content that you have already created for your business or for your clients and customers. All that content is probably overflowing with passive income product ideas. So look at your existing freebies, look at your existing lead magnets. Regardless of what you are selling, if you are creating freebies, they should obviously be attracting your potential customers, right? Your freebie is there to attract your ideal customer and to attract leads into your business. So your freebies might be one of the following. You might have a PDF download. It could be a planner or a checklist. You may have some type of swipe files or scripts, email templates. It can be an audio. It can be a podcast content. It can be blog posts or templates. It can be a how-to guide, roadmaps or tutorials, challenges, courses, video series. You have a ton of things that you have probably already created for free that you can then package or bundle up and turn that into a paid offer. If people are already downloading your freebie, there's a pretty good chance that they would be interested in a product on that same topic. And they'll likely pay money for these products if they find that it satisfies a need or solves a problem for them. So if you pinpoint and are able to solve a particular problem, then all you have to do is take the existing content that you've already been sharing your solutions to, put a price tag on it, and then go ahead and sell it. So do an audit of your freebies. Which ones are the most popular? Which ones have the highest conversions? Meaning when people see or come across that freebie, are they opting in? And you want to make sure that you are pulling from or creating content from the content that people are attracted to, that they're excited about, that they're engaging with. So can that free content be updated? Can the content be expanded so that your customers get their money's worth? Can you bundle a few different freebies together to create a complete product offering or a more complete product offer? Think about the content that is attracting your ideal customers and how you can repurpose, remix, refresh, rejuvenate, repackage, or bundle it up to create a passive income product that will sell. Now, the second place to find passive income product inspiration is to look at your current workflows, look at your current client and customer processes and how you work with them, how you help them get results. What are your standard operating procedures in your own business? Now, just for example, one of the first passive income products that I created was an ebook. A simple ebook that I sold for $27 about how to create ebooks. I simply took my unique process for creating an ebook and I turned it into teachable content. I turned it into content that I can then share with other people so that they can consume the steps that I took to create a successful ebook. So many coaches, particularly one-on-one coaches, worry that they have to come up with something completely new in order to create a passive income product. And you don't. I'm sure that the processes that you use every single day in your job, in your work, are really familiar to you, right? So familiar that you may not even have thought to turn them into a passive income product. I'm sure that the processes that you use, the steps that you use to create your products and services, the processes that you use to take your customers and clients from point A to point Z, the processes that you use to create or have a productive workday. So you have all of these different things that you can pull and draw inspiration from that you can then turn and package into a passive income product. So whether that is a checklist that you use, a type of spreadsheet, whether it is tools or processes, steps, workflows that you created to make your own job easier, there's a good chance that it may make the client and customers or your colleagues' lives easier too. So why not take that information that you're holding close to your vest and share it with other people, but for a fee? So for example, I love examples. When I created my viral content startup kit, a big part of the inspiration for that product was the process that I used to take one long form piece of content and turn it into 25 individual pieces of content. I eventually started calling it my 25x viral content formula. But it was a process that I had already been using for years in my own business to repurpose my content. So you can do the same thing for your business, and the options are limitless. You can turn whatever your processes are, whatever the tools you use on a daily basis, and you can turn that into a product that can be sold. Now, the third tip that I want to share with you is to review your client or customer feedback. Think about the tools, the tutorials, the strategies, or the help that your clients have asked you for in the past. If you keep a log of your customer and client feedback, which you should, it can be very useful in helping you come up with new product offer ideas. For example, maybe a potential client reached out to you to see if you sold part of your services or a specific segment of your coaching package. Maybe a current client needs supporting graphics or tech guidance that is not already baked into your one-on-one coaching program or service. If you see multiple people asking for a specific tutorial or how-to, pay attention, because it could be an opportunity for you to kind of feel that need. When you review what people have asked you for, you can truly see what solutions people want and what's in demand. So if you're thinking of creating your own passive income generating online business, be sure to check out the additional resources at the bottom of this video. You can also join us inside of the amazing and phenomenal Womenpreneur Facebook group. It is absolutely free. It is an online community for female entrepreneurs and successful business owners. You can get free tutorials, tips, and training on how to create a six-figure business with online courses, digital products, and coaching programs. So I hope to see you inside.